In this video, we will take a look at the Work Invoices driver in Compleo Layout. Use the Layout Template tab to create a template for Work Invoices. You can create variables to extract values such as total, invoice ID, VAT, etc. from an input file. Once the template is created, we will define a run mode for uploading an invoice to Chorus. Next, we will define its settings. In this tab, we will configure a connection to Chorus. Enter the details of the machine or server where Chorus Manager is installed. Use the test button to check whether the connection is established successfully. A message is displayed, indicating whether the connection worked or not. You can use these fields to enter any additional comments. If these fields are blank, by default, the server name and username where Chorus Manager is installed is displayed. Next, under the Invoice Information tab, you can use variables to define each field. For example, here, we will use the variable supplier to define the Supplier Structure ID. Similarly, we can fill the rest of the fields. In the Wait for Validation field, you can enter the value as true, in case you might need to make changes in the invoice later. If you enter the value as false, Chorus Manager will submit the invoice directly. Use this button to add more VAT lines. You can add up to 4 additional VAT lines. Select this option to add supporting documents to an invoice. You can see that the run mode has been added. When you run the template, the invoice will appear under the Submitted Work Invoices tab of Chorus Manager.